Hi everyone, this is Carlos Garcia again with the Lease Team Real Estate. This month I'm gonna talk about water leaks around the house. Normally under your water faucet in the kitchen, in the bathrooms, in your laundry room, anywhere where you might have wet areas, you want to protect your house to make sure there's no water flood. Also with a small leak under the kitchen sink or under the bathroom faucets, with the small leak, it will ruin your wood. A lot of things that need to be replaced because of that is the bottom part of the cabinet, and you can avoid that, well, the flood, and also that by installing one of these. It's a water leak device. It doesn't cost that much. You can get it on Amazon or anywhere you want. I bought a 6-pack, 6 of them for only like $20. They're very cheap and they will save you a lot of money. The way they work, they have a 9-volt battery on it, and you will place it right under the sink, anywhere under the sink. And what happens is, if there's water leaking in there, it's gonna make contact with 2 of the sensors in here, and it's gonna activate the alarm. I'm gonna show you how sensitive this thing is. I have a wet paper towel, and I'm just gonna put it on top of it, and this is what will happen if water gets down there. It's very loud. You can hear it throughout the whole house. Very effective. In my house, this is a brand new house, but I have had a few leaks. One in the laundry room where the water hose behind the wall wasn't tight enough. It was already causing a leak, small leak, but that will damage, it will bring mold and all kind of stuff. So also we find out that some of the bathroom faucets where people were brushing their teeth and all of that, water was going inside through the around the faucet, and the water was going down, so that was damaging the cabinets already too. How to fix that? Well, you'll have to put silicone all around the faucet, but this alarm right here will save you lots of money.